Hello guys, welcome to Mifratech eLearning. This project name is Dual Axis Solar Tracking System. The components are solar panel, MG995 servo motors, power supplies, 12 volts 5 amps battery, LCD display, load side lamp and motor, Node MCU and Arduino we used. Node MCU for loading data into ThinkSpeak, and DC to DC converter to convert 12 volts to 5 volts supply. So this will dual axis, this will rotate one side, rotate other side. So all four way can operate. So this LDR, 4 LDR sensors mounted on the solar panel. Now let's see the working of this. Let's see the live demonstration of this. We'll give the power supply. The 4 dual axis, it will rotate, and sunlight, where it's sunlight detected, that direction it will change direction. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Mifratech eLearning. Thanks a lot.